In this video, I will show you how to book an appointment for a US visa from the UAE. So there are a few steps you need to take. First, choose your visa type and fill out the form DS-160. So identify if you need a B1, B2, tourist or business visa, F1 or J1 student, H1B work visa, etc. Then complete the DS-160 online via the CEAC portal and save and print the confirmation barcode page as you will need it later. Now you need to create an account and pay the fee, so visit ustraveldocs.com/AE and register an account. Then enter your DS-160 confirmation, choose a document courier address and pay the MRV fee, which is usually $185. Next, schedule your appointment. So log into your ustraveldocs.com/AE account and click schedule appointment. Then select your visa type, your DS-160 barcode, courier location, and pick a date or time at either the US Embassy in Abu Dhabi or Consulate in Dubai. Now to your interview you need to bring the following things, so a passport, a DS-160 confirmation, an appointment confirmation, your fee receipt, and any visa-specific supporting documents. So now you know how to book an appointment for a US visa from the UAE. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.